Today I'm going to teach you Khana Proverb. Khana Proverb is very, very important that you should understand Proverb in our language. So these are words we have. Khana Proverb. Proverb. So the first on the board here will be Ebele Den Nasi de Kabadia. This is one of the oldest proverbs which I know so many people have forgotten. Ebele Den Nasi de Kabadia. This is a very strong proverb. So I'm going to tell you the meaning. I'm going to write on the board and then tell you what it means in Khana language. So let's go to the board. Ebele Den Nasi de Kabadia. One, we have Ebele. Ebele. Ebele Den. Den. Na. A. Se. Se. Kabari. Ka. Ba. Yeah. Kabari. So here on the body is the spelling of Ebele Den Na Acid Kabaria. This is a very strong proverb, so I'm going to tell you the meaning. The meaning of this is that see and remove eye, keep elders. Did you get it? See and remove eyes, keep the elders. So let me write on the board for you so we can. The meaning is, what this means is see and remove your eyes. Your eyes. Keep the elder. So, did you see it now? Ebele Den Na Asere Kabaria. See and remove your eyes. Keep the elders. So sometimes it is better for you to see. Remove your eyes. Do like say you know see. You will go a long way than everything you see, you talk. Everything you see, your mouth not dey close. Anything you see, you talk. Anything you see, you talk. What this proverb is saying is that see and remove eyes, keep the elders. See, when you say something and you remove your eyes, will make you live long. It will make you live long. Number 2 on the board here we have Lebalo. Here we have number 2 as neighbor. De by day. Neighbor, day by day. This is another strong proverb in Khana, Ogoni language. Neighbor, day by day. The meaning in English is that a fearful person eats 2 days. A fearful person eats 2 days. So I'm going to write the meaning here for you. A fearful person eats 2 days. So when you are afraid, it's not that 100% you are afraid, but sometimes you do as if you are afraid. Not be every time you dey form actor. Every time you dey form James Bond, now you get strength pass. Any go outside, you don't run go there. You want to show yourself, say, now you get strength pass. Those kind of people, they know they live long. So what this proverb is saying is that Neighbor, day by day, a fearful person eats 2 days. It also means that a fearful person live longer. A fearful person live longer. A fearful person eats 2 days. Neighbor, day by day. Neighbor, day by day. Neighbor, day by day. That is the meaning of it. A fearful person eats 2 days. Here we have nu abelo goadan abe goadan. Here we have nu a belo agoadan nu abelo agoadan. What this means is that an emaciating rat hides in the wall. An emaciating rat hides in the wall. So this is the meaning in English. We have an emaciating rat hide in the wall. That is the meaning of it. Nu abelo agoadan. Nu abelo agoadan. Nu is rat. Abelo macheting rat. Nu abelo, that is macheting and emaciating rat. Agoadan, it hides in the wall. That is the meaning. So let's just conclude it by, we have 3 parables on the board here. Very powerful parable. Ebeleden na ase de kabaria. See and remove your eyes, keeps the elder. See and remove your eyes, keeps the elder. Ebeleden na ase de kabaria. Number 2, we have neighbor. This is the spelling of neighbor, day by day. The meaning is a fearful person eats 2 days. A fearful person eats 2 days. Here we have number 3, nu abelu agoadan. The meaning is an emaciating rat hides in the wall. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe. It is my own little way of contributing to the Khana language, which is my heritage. My name is Peter Winganani, your host today. Thank you.